Welcome to the detailed tutorial of how to use SenservaPro. SenservaPro is the quickest and easiest way to identify vulnerabilities within your Azure Active Directory. SenservaPro provides an analysis of over 200 different configurations and events within your environment to help analyze and identify possible misconfigured and overprivileged user accounts and applications. After installing, which is a 20-minute process through the Microsoft Azure Marketplace, Senserva is able to go ahead and run a scan of your total environment and produce results back that same day, providing value on day one. After clicking scan, your results will filter in, and you'll be able to see a rank order of all your user accounts by potential security awareness. It'll give you detailed information regarding the account name, what groups that account belongs to, the state of the account, if they're enabled, disabled, a guest account, a member account, or an administrative account. All of the controls that we mentioned before that will identify potential security risks, their risk ratio, their administrative ratio, when the account was created, and when it was last accessed. Each column has the ability to go ahead and sort or filter with detailed searching options as well. So if I wanted to remove the top account because I understand who that is, I can remove that from the results. If I wanted to filter down further and look at all accounts that have James, I can string together searches to have my results. Once you have your results, you can go ahead and notice that the rank reorders, the risk ratio reorders, and the administrative ratio reorders based on the information that is available for the results. Under the controls, we provide a to-do list of items to look at from an administrative perspective, from critical to least critical, so your administrative team can save time and effort by quickly being able to identify possible security risks, validating if there is remediation necessary, and make those changes to quickly reduce the attack surface. SenservaPro is designed to provide immediate relief in terms of identifying misconfigured and overprivileged user accounts and applications, as well as in the long term help avoid configuration drift. Moving on from the user account, we can look at conditional access. Conditional access will pull in all conditional access policies within your environment, provide the same search and filter options, and provide the same controls with a to-do list from critical to least critical on potential security risks associated with that conditional access policy. It'll give you detailed information, again, providing the accounts, providing the information to quickly save your administrative team time and effort of digging into that policy and those risks further. Applications similar to user will bring back a list of all your applications and filter them by potential impact. The main thing to note regarding applications is that an account with no privilege can still elevate their privilege by using an application that has been granted read and write privileges by an administrator when that user logs in and uses that application with their Azure Active Directory username and password. We can identify which applications present the highest risk. We can look at the controls regarding that. There's articles and help to go ahead and identify if there is a need to make any corrections, and that you're able to verify that your applications are in line with your security policy and security baseline. With compliance, we look at various benchmark frameworks. We provide information regarding the possible pass or fail or score associated with that benchmark. We provide remediation controls and the detailed information regarding that benchmark itself. The remediation options goes into detail regarding various ways that you can go ahead and click on help documents to provide information or get information to make quick changes. Last but not least, we have a license review that will go ahead and show you what's available to you within SenservaPro and within your Microsoft cloud environment based on your licensing. Senserva recommends using a premium P1 or P2 license in order to go ahead and get the full benefit of what Microsoft can offer. Using a P1 or P2 license unlocks great security features such as privilege identity management, risky activity and risk detection, full conditional access policies, and full MFA functionality. If you'd like more information, please feel free to visit us at www.senserva.com, send us an email at info@senserva.com, or simply go to our website to find more information. Thank you and have a great day.